You can start a new presentation from a blank slide, a template, existing presentations, or a Word outline. To create a new presentation from a blank slide, click the Microsoft Office button. Click New and click Blank Presentation. To create a new presentation from a template, click the Microsoft Office button. Click New and then click Install Templates. Click the template you choose. You can also browse through Microsoft Office Online templates. When you save a presentation, you have two choices, save or save as. To save a document, click the Microsoft Office button and click Save. You may need to use the Save As feature when you need to save a presentation under a different name or to save it for earlier versions of PowerPoint. Remember that older versions of PowerPoint will not be able to open PowerPoint 2007 presentation unless you save it as a PowerPoint 97 to 2003 format. To use the Save As feature, click the Microsoft Office button. Click Save As. PowerPoint 97 2003 presentation. Type in the name for the presentation and then click Save. There are several choices when you want to add a new slide to the presentation. Office Themes, duplicate selected slide, or reuse slides. To create a new slide from Office Themes, select the slide immediately before where you want the new slide. Click the New Slide button on the Home tab. Click the slide choice that fits your material. To create a slide as a duplicate of a slide in the presentation, select the slide to duplicate. Click the New Slide button on the Home tab. Click Duplicate Selected Slides. Themes are design templates that can be applied to an entire presentation that allows for consistency throughout the presentation. To add a theme to a presentation, click the Design tab. Choose one of the displayed themes or click the Galleries button. To apply new colors to a theme, click the Colors drop-down arrow and choose a color set or click.